Hello everybody and welcome to the channel again. Firoz is back with another beautiful project. Make sure to stay with me until the end because we have free NFT, guys. Let's go. Right, guys, that's Enjin. That's what I'm gonna talk about today. As you know, like Enjin is nowadays really popular out there. Everybody knows about Enjin, but okay. Enjin is one of the greatest, if I say most popular kind of platforms, which is kind of working on the NFT. Whatever you want to do regarding the NFT, games, art, music, and all this stuff, all of them are really possible here doing on this only one platform. And at the same time, the Enjin is built on Ethereum blockchain. Well, when it comes about the ecosystem, it's incredibly awesome, guys. Look at this part, build the metaverse. Here is the part when you join the ecosystem, you will be able to get fun and for the sake of your NFT projects. That's a place where you can just get the money for the sake of your future amazing ideas and projects, okay? As you see here at this bar, we have incredible kind of projects, which the first one is from the Microsoft and the other kind of projects built on it. And now we come to the sweet part where you can just get your free NFT like I did, okay? As you see here at the homepage of this website, on the right here, you need, first of all, you need to download the Enjin wallet from the website into your phone, and then through the phone you can grab your free NFT, okay? So I think for this process I need to do it on my own phone. Let's do it. Well, guys, I recommend you to go through the website because I think that's a lot safer, okay? And then you can come to the home page again, and then okay, guys, it's downloaded. Let me just open it. Here is the application itself. You need first of all to let them allow, and now here, because it's the first time that you install it, you need to have the crypto wallet, but you can just make it later on as well. Then you can just press this button, scan the QR code, and now let's go to the website. Here we go. Here we go, guys. I just claimed my free NFT and here it is. Yeah, I just got it now. Claim the asset. Claim the asset. Let's go. You will receive your asset soon. Okay. View in assets. It's coming. Still I have got nothing. Here we go. Here we go. You have got your free NFT, guys. Yeah. Here is the place where you can send it to others or to the other wallets if you have. And also here you can start selling it. But actually you need to set the password first of all. So what does it mean? Okay, guys, I typed my password and then change it. Well, that's it. You're done. You're done now. You can just go into the wallet and it's inside the home of the wallet. At the same time, you need to back up your you need to back up what? You need to back up your wallet, okay? Yeah, guys, that's a way that you can claim your free NFT, okay? But after setting up your new password, then you can get into the marketplace through your application and start selling, actually like fixing the price there, and then you can sell it on the marketplace. But about the marketplace, you can just find it here on the website through the products, then the marketplace, and then you explore it. Here it is. This is the marketplace of the Enjin platform. Then you can just see a lot of art and a lot of NFTs are being on sale here right now. And that's all, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, comments, and the stuff, because you know, like, we're gonna have this kind of stuff, cool stuff, free crypto are coming out there, and then I'm gonna share it with you guys. Remember to subscribe, then you can just use them, get the chance, okay? So take care.